Welcome back to Autoscope. The Rolls Royce Motorhome of 2026, implacable luxury on the go. External, stunning elegance and subtle practicality. Iconic front facade, the iconic Pantheon grille, perhaps enlarged and with delicately illuminated slats, will remain the main attraction. Innovative LED headlights, harmonious proportions despite its size. The overall design will remain proportionate and not look clunky. Beautiful specifics. Typical Rolls-Royce characteristics include the use of premium materials like polished chrome and fine carbon fiber, as well as character lines that run the length of the body. Hidden functionality. A number of storage areas will be cleverly integrated into the facade to make room for recreational equipment. Interior. A haven of personalized luxury and comfort. Luxurious and flexible layout, the interior design can be easily modified to suit the owner's preferences. A sizable lounge space is most likely to be present. The finest artisanal details and materials, premium leather, exquisite metals, and exotic woods with immaculate finishes. The newest technology will be easily integrated into the 2026 Rolls-Royce Motorhome. Despite its emphasis on traditional elegance, ambient illumination that is adjustable, sophisticated ambient lighting system, smart glass windows and excellent motorized blinds provide the utmost in privacy and comfort. Small back garage. The small garage at the back may be able to accommodate an electric bike, scooter, or other leisure equipment. Outdoor kitchen. With a retractable outdoor kitchen, owners may enjoy dining and cooking outside. Performance and base car. Smooth acceleration and quiet travel are ensured by a powerful engine. Maybe the iconic Rolls-Royce V12 or a state-of-the-art electric powertrain in the future. Advanced security system. These recreational vehicles may be equipped with additional security measures such as advanced alarms and surveillance cameras.